Hi guys, so this is my natural hair routine. I'm going to talk about three things, but number one, there's a myth about not shampooing your hair as often. You should always keep the scalp clean. I think that's one of the key rituals that has allowed me to have long hair is that I do shampoo quite more often than not. So here are my three little steps, my little rituals: braids, essential oil, and wooden comb, guasha. Massage. So this is me taking my hair out from the night before. I just put it in braids. Braids are a protective way of protecting. It's an easy way of protecting your hair. So just take these out. Easy peasy. And squeezy. This little wooden comb massage the scalp. It acts like a guasha. And you just kind of do like a little, I like to do a zigzag. And it just moves the oils from the scalp all the way down. Make sure you get this part here. Okay. Do a little droplet of peppermint oil. And that is it. And just massage. Smells so nice. Make sure to turn your head over, massaging here. And voila. Okay guys, try this for the next 30 days. Let me know what happens. You should get at least 2 centimeters of length growing. Every month you grow half an inch. So in a year you should be growing, if you're not cutting, at least 6 inches.